Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make popcorn chicken. Really good, so let's get started. Alright, so get about 500 grams of chicken breast that I cut around between like little pieces. I then melt about a tablespoon or so of butter. Pour it in, and then just mix it around so they're all coated. Alright, so get some little pepper and put a half a cup or so of breadcrumbs. Then put in some Italian seasoning. About a teaspoon or so. And then get some paprika. About a teaspoon of that. And then 1 or 2 teaspoons of thyme. And then get your chicken pieces and chop them in the bag. And now we seal it. And then shake it around until they're cooking. My mom put some more bit of air in the bag. And then shake it around. Then shake it around. Until they're quickly cooking. Oh, they're done. Oh yeah. I just got a baking tray. Cause we're gonna be putting these in the oven. Now you wanna turn your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're in the oven, put them in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. And these should be done. Oh yes, this is perfect. Alright, I guys, enjoyed my recipe for a popcorn chicken, as you can see. So good. I'm gonna give one a try right now. Oh, beautiful. So, thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.